Hey, one last video. Today I'm walking by the Jersey City Liberty State Park Ferry Terminal. Nice dandelion or sunflowers. Let's see that sunflower. Ready for your close-up? And this here in front of me is this wall of concrete is New Jersey's September 11th memorial. So it looks spot that looks right over at the place where the towers were, the Twin Towers. It's almost 19 years ago in just a few days. So this is the Empty Sky, New Jersey September 11th memorial. I've never seen this before, and I saw it when I was walking up to take the ferry. Should we walk through it? And it has, on the morning of September 11, 2001, with the skies so clear that the Twin Towers across the river appear to be within reach, the very essence of what our country stands for was attacked. Freedom, tolerance, and the pursuit of happiness. Dedicated to New Jersey's innocent loved ones who were lost. And perhaps, you know, this is the general view. Basically, towers are straight across from here, and then it has names. And these are names of people from New Jersey who were lost, and a lot of people from New Jersey, because the PATH train from New Jersey took many New Jersey workers into the city, and right, not just into the city, but right to the World Trade Center. The PATH terminal was right below, beneath the world was, and still is, beneath the World Trade Center. So, and there, of course, is One World Trade Center. So, let's look at it back from this way. And there is a piece of the steel from the towers at the far end. So that's the New Jersey September 11th memorial.